Today we have the 2021 Kia Sportage. This vehicle has done just under 23,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights and our keyless ignition. To the right, we have cruise control and automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, we can access navigation, our button settings, radio, and setup. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below, we have our climate control with heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that we have a full leather interior